Hello and welcome back to iPhone Made Simple. If you find your iPhone battery doesn't seem to last as long as you'd like, you're not alone. So in this video, I'm going to basically show you a few simple things that can help your battery actually last longer during the day. Nothing you do here will harm your phone, and you can always change everything back at any time. So section 1 is low power mode. So one of the easiest ways to save battery is low power mode. You're going to open settings, then you're going to tap battery and turn on low power mode. This basically just reduces background activity. It doesn't stop your phone working normally. As always, if you don't like it, you can simply turn it off again whenever you like. Section 2 is the screen brightness. So the screen basically uses more battery than most people actually realise. If you open settings, tap display and brightness, and lowering the brightness slightly can make a big difference on your battery. Again, you don't need to make it completely dim. Even just a small change will help with the battery. Section 3 is background app refresh. So some apps refresh in the background even when you're not using them. So if you go to settings, tap general and then tap background app refresh. Turning this off for some of your apps won't stop them from working. It just stops unnecessary background activity. You don't need to change this for every single app, just the apps that you feel you don't need to be constantly working in the background. You don't need to do all of these tips. Even one small change can help your battery last a lot longer. I post simple iPhone tips like this each week to make everyday use easier for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.